Hi, I'm Greg. I'm here doing laundry today on a Saturday, and I've noticed recently a lot of folks online are complaining about not being able to fold a fitted sheet properly despite the hundreds of videos that are on YouTube and elsewhere about how to do it. And I had the same problem. I could never figure those videos out. They always lost me around step 3 somewhere when they started putting hands over hands and things like that. But anyway, I figured out a way to do it, and I'm going to do a live demo for you right now. So I just finished a load of laundry in the dryer. I'll pull out the fitted sheet. Bear with me. And here it is. So we'll just figure out where the long side of the two pockets are, and here we are. Just by chance, that's the first two I found. Give it a shake to kind of get it all in a piece the way you want it. There we go. So some of the videos talk about start with the short side and loop it over your other hand and so on. I'm not doing any of that. You do need a flat surface for this. It's great if you have a counter or a table, but if you don't, I'm just using the top of my washing machine, and that seems to work fine. So here we go. We'll pop it up here. Put the top two corners apart. Reach down, get the bottom corner on the left side. Stick it into the top corner on the left side, like so. Do the same on the right side. Here somewhere. Rusty. Gotta be here somewhere. There it is. And pop that into the corner on the right, top of the right side. So now there's the top of the right side. Here are the nested corners on the top of the left side. And you're just going to put your hands together, left over right. And now you're kind of where a lot of those other videos take you after some of the hard to understand gymnastics that they go through. But here you are, and you're ending up with something that looks like this. And I'll pick up the camera off the stand so you can see this a little better. Bear with me. So this sort of thing is roughly what you want. You've got sort of a L-shaped arrangement here where the corners have all landed. And so what we will do is simply square this up by tidying the various folds and stuff that naturally kind of get a little unruly until you've got a rectangle, more or less, and then you just fold it like you would any other sheet. So we'll go back to our stand. Oops, wrong way around, pardon me. I need two hands for this part just to square it up. Like so, and like so. So now I've got my rectangle. I fold it into thirds. One and two. Fold it again into thirds. One and, oh, not quite two. There we go. One and two. And here you are. Nicely folded, fitted sheet. So I hope that helps. I hope it wasn't too confusing like a lot of the other videos are. And certainly I was able to figure it out. Once you get the idea of nesting the first two corners and then putting those, putting 2 over 2 after you do that, you're on the right path. So give it a try and good luck. Thanks.